相当于新域 Biotechnology Co. Ltd. Glycinin, β-conglycinin. ELISA kit operating procedure. Sample pre-processing. 1. Weighing the sample. Grind samples to 60 mash, sieve thoroughly mixed. And then secondary sampling. Weigh 0.3 grams of sample. 0. The electronic balance. Weighing allowable error plus or minus 0.003 grams. Two. Sample extraction. Dilute 30. Force the sample extraction with distilled water in a volume ratio of 1:29 to the working concentration. 435 milliliters of distilled water will prepare for this experiment. Use 5 milliliters micropipette to transfer 15 milliliters 30 times concentrated buffer into a jar. Manual shaking for 30 seconds. Take 30 milliliters of 1/4 sample extraction buffer and add it to the sample. (37°C 200 to 250 revolutions per minute). Water bath shaking extraction for 1 hour. 3. Centrifugation. Centrifuge sample after extraction. Set up centrifuge for 1000 revolutions per minute. Temperature 25°C. Centrifugation for 5 minutes. 4. ELISA kit introduction. β-conglycinin test ELISA kit contain β-conglycinin test microwell holder. Standard 1. Standard 2. Standard 3. Standard 4. Standard 5. HP conjugate enzyme reagent. Antibody solution. Stop solution. Chromogen solution. Sample diluent buffer. 30 times sample extraction buffer. 20 times wash buffer. 5. Sample dilution. This experiment shows you two methods, low standard and high standard. Sample 1 is low standard and needs to be diluted 140 times. Sample 2 and 3 need to be diluted 210 times for high standard. In order to reduce the error, two-step dilution is recommended. Adjust the micropipette to 650 microliters. Transfer 650 microliters sample diluent buffer to a new 2 milliliters centrifuge tube. Adjust the micropipette to 1000 microliters. Transfer 1000 microliters sample diluent buffer to another 2 milliliters centrifuge tube. Adjust the micropipette to 900 microliters. Transfer 900 microliters sample diluent to 2 milliliters centrifuge tube and set aside. Adjust the micropipette to 50 microliters. Take 50 microliters of supernatant to a high standard 2 milliliters centrifuge tube. Shake properly. Secondary dilution. Adjust the micropipette to 100 microliters. Respectively, take 100 microliters of the mixture to the spare 2 milliliters centrifuge tube. Shake properly. Sample testing. 1. Add antibody working solution. Take appropriate amount of microwell holder, according to the need. Adjust micropipette to 50 microliters. Add calibrator or sample to be tested 50 microliters per vial, and record its position. Then add 50 microliters of antibody working solution to each vial. Cover with the cover plate film. Put it into an oscillating incubator to incubate 10 min. Note, set the parameters of the oscillating incubator in advance. After the timing completed, take out the detection board. Sample testing. 2. Wash the plate and dry. Pour the liquid from the vials. Inject 300 microliters of 1-fold washing buffer into each vial. Repeat washing 4 times. Tap the microwell holder vigorously upside down against absorbent paper. 3. Add HAP conjugate reagent. Add 100 microliters of HAP conjugate reagent to each vial. Cover with cover plate film. Incubate at 37 over 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of incubation, take out the microtiter part. 4. Wash the plate and dry. Pour the liquid from the wells. Inject 300 microliters of 1-volt washing solution into each well. Repeat washing 4 times. Tap the micro well holder vigorously upside down against absorbent paper. 4. Add chromocan solution. Adjust the micropipette to 100 microliters. Add 100 microliters of chromogenic solution to each well. Cover with cover plate film. Incubate at 37 over 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of incubation, take out the microtiter part. 5. Add stop solution. Stop solution. Adjust the micropipette to 100 microliters. Add 100 microliters of stop solution to each well. Six. Reading. Record the absorbance of the wells at 450 nanometers, 630 nanometers using a ELISA reader. The experiment is over. Thank you for watching. Usage Guide for ELISA Test Kits of KTI and SBA. Sample pre-treatment protocol. Extraction conditions. The sample must be subjected to oscillating extraction in a constant temperature environment R25C, with the time strictly controlled to 16 hours to ensure thorough release of the target components. Precautions for reagent use. General instructions. The 30 milliliters 1 sample extraction buffer provided. With this kit can be used interchangeably for the extraction of both KTI and SBA. Prohibition notice. Do not interchange the extraction buffer in this kit with those from Glycinin, β-conglycinin test kits. Such cross-use can cause interference between reagent components, potentially leading to assay failure. Key operational parameters. Dilution requirement. Samples are required to undergo a 30-fold gradient dilution, strictly adhering to the dedicated 1 kit, 1 buffer principle for dilution buffers. Incubation protocol. Maintain static conditions at 37 degrees Celsius throughout the incubation phase without oscillation until reaction completion. Operational consistency statement or remaining experimental steps, including reagent addition, sequence, reaction termination criteria, and instrument parameter. Configurations must strictly adhere to the procedures demonstrated in the companion instructional video, except for the 3 aforementioned specialized operations. It is recommended to review the entire instructional video prior to initial use, with particular attention to verifying sample loading volumes, incubation time, and plate washing. Operations are critical procedural milestones.